All right, hello everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share my videos. I'd appreciate it. Just starting to get the channel going. Need all the help I can get, so I appreciate you watching. If you have a question or a comment, or if you have a project you'd like me to review, please add it in the comments section. So today I'm going to talk about Ritocoin and how to mine it. So here is Ritocoin's webpage, Ritocoin.org. Ritocoin is a community-driven blockchain software project. Its development is provided by an active community of cypherpunks, hackers, and elite individuals. Here's the white paper, if you'd like to read that. I'm not going to go into the technical details, it's just a brief overview for mining purposes. Here are the wallets and the exchanges you can go on. We'll get to the wallets in a second. This talks about the Ritocoin community, the Telegram, Discord, and Reddit links. The development here. The exchanges to trade Ritocoin. So the algorithm Ritocoin uses is the X21S algorithm, GPU friendly. That's what we like to see in terms of being a GPU miner. Ritocoin is ASIC resistant, anti-FPGA, and anti-NiceHash, and is committed to remaining a coin that is always available for mining cryptocurrency hobbyists. We designed our X21S algorithm to be mined by GPUs only, and we will further develop our hashing algorithm as advancements are made by the opposing forces. So that's good news. That's a good coin to mine for us GPU miners. Here's a link on how to mine it, wallets and pools. Get back to that in a second. I just want to continue with the website here. Again, anti-FPGA and anti-ASIC. Smooth curve emission. GPU friendly. So here are the wallets. The desktop wallets, mobile web wallets, paper wallets. I did a mobile web wallet called Safeguard. It's called SafePay. And it's on Apple iOS, and you can set up your wallet and get a public address there. Here are the documents. Again, the white paper. They have some articles here in Wiki and GitHub. Here's their roadmap. You can read it, see what they've done, see what they plan on doing here in Q4, what they've done. So I don't see a new white paper out, so it looks like they still need to get to that. Hardware wallet support. So it looks like they're still working on some things. Here are the details. So we have block time 60 seconds. The algorithm again, X21S. Development fund gets 1% of the block. Some frequently asked questions. What is Ritocoin? Ritocoin is an experimental digital currency that enables instant payments to anyone, anywhere in the world. Ritocoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority. Managing transactions and issuing money are carried out collectively by the network. So there are some other frequently asked questions. You can read it. Come chat with us. Here's the development team. Advisors. So let's go to Ritocoin Wiki. Talks about Ritocoin. It's a fork of the Ravencoin code base, which is an experimental blockchain and platform optimized for transferring assets such as tokens from one holder to another. The launch of Ritocoin offers several improvements over Ravencoin: a change in the proof of work mining algorithm, a commitment to keeping mining accessible to casual hobbyists, and an emphasis on the community-driven development of user-friendly features and add-on utilities. Rapid software development and frequent releases of experimental features characterizes the development culture of Ritocoin. What is Ritocoin? About Ritocoin, you can read it on your own when you get a chance. So let's go back and look at the coin specs. Block time 60 seconds, decreasing smooth emission curve. So the supply in 50 years is 2,030,907,256 Rito. So I'd imagine there's substantially less than that right now in circulation. Again, the X21S algorithm. And here are the emission graphs. And it tapers off here, 4 months, levels out in 1 year. This is the extended block reward graph in years down here. So it's a gradual going down and leveling off at about 10 years. So going back to the web page, you can go to mining. And they have some information here about mining. Here, and they have the pools. The pool I chose is Minermore. Minermore.com. Choose Ritocoin. Scroll down. And you can see the command line here. It's Trex miner. So I'm in the US, so I copy paste that. Let me just check real quick. Go to Simplemining. Let's go to group configuration. You're going to hit add group. Go down to Trex here. And I am using the CUDA 9.2. So use that, use it, get rid of this, copy and paste that into here. That command line, I'll have that in the description in the video. All right, let's go to what I have written down here. Let's see, so we have Ritocoin up top. I'm using Minermore, Trex, CUDA 9.1. And here is the command line here. Right here, this is what you need. I'll put that in the description. Obviously, you want to place after -u as your wallet address. Replace yours with mine. I'm sorry, mine with yours. You could use mine if you want to give me some Ritocoin. That would be nice. Okay, let's go to rig list. Go to the heads up. And as you can see, I'm hashing away here with my 1060 Zotacs, 1060s. So that's how you mine Ritocoin. If you're interested, check it out. It's a GPU-friendly coin, which is nice. ASIC resistant, FPGA resistant. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. I'm trying to do things a little bit differently on my channel. I'd like to get back to everybody, have 100% interaction. If you have a project you want me to look into to mine, please let me know. Thank you for watching. And